4 powerful words.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.
Connecting your world. We simplify technology and controls to enhance your life with the highest quality audio and video entertainment services, connect smart fans to regulate temperature and airflow, create moods and add privacy with shade automation, offer vital home security to keep you safe, provide networking throughout your environments, and support a dynamic lifestyle with vibrant, state-of-the-art, human-centric lighting throughout your space. Connected living at its finest.
We are experts.
Live your best life. We set the mood, keep you safe, promote wellness, simplify controls, and keep you connected.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.
AiSPIRE is an integrator-only lighting brand that caters to the modern technologist. We care about helping you provide truly intelligent, comprehensive lighting solutions to transform your clients' homes and elevate their lives. Fueled by a passion for creating, WAC has 40 years of experience manufacturing lighting with innovative design and cutting-edge technology to solve your most challenging lighting needs. And coming soon, modern form smart ceiling fans. Learn more at AiSPIRE.com.